Meaning of doughty.
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 Doughty. The word doughty is an adjective that means brave, bold, and determined. It is often used to describe a person who displays great courage and strength in the face of adversity. A doughty individual is someone who is not easily intimidated and is willing to stand up for what they believe in regardless of the consequences. This word is commonly used in formal writing and is often found in literature and poetry to describe heroic characters. In summary, doughty describes someone who is fearless and unyielding in the pursuit of their goals.